Alright, good morning. Today we're going to try the Black Rifle Coffee Company AK Espresso in the French press. And when you order your coffee, they ask you how you use your coffee grounds. So obviously I chose French press grounds. And now we're going to go try the coffee. Be right back. Alright, so here's the coffee. It's actually really smooth. I just put heavy cream in it. And again, I used a AK Espresso. And then here's the other three flavors. It's JB Just Black, BB Beyond Black, and SS Silencer Smooth. And the Black Rifle Coffee Company is owned by military veterans. And you can go on their website and get the Mission Fuel Kit, which is this, for $22. And overall, it's a $28 fee because of shipping. But go ahead and go support your veterans and stay safe and always put your fires out.